We are at the top of the Devil's Sawmill.
Oh my God.
And we drove in here to it. And we're going to do a video of driving back out of here because if you don't take the rail cars, it's pretty interesting getting in here. We have been doing the West Virginia Waterfalls Trail. This is number 43. This is the Devil's Sawmill. And it's not got any water running it. I think they're planning on putting the waterfall sign there. It ain't there yet. But feels good to have completed it. Mile marker 5, Devil's Sawmill Falls. It'd be awful beautiful if there's any water coming from it. Right, here we are at the top of the Devil's Sawmill. You can drive right to it. There it is right there. We're going to give you a recording of the road coming out of here. We were too cheap to spend the $80 per person to ride the rail bikes. So I'll show you what we had to do to get in here.
Whoever you right after you was right. You could not get a 2-wheel drive up here.
That was the worst part.
Yeah, I can't believe people were doing it.
See, I'd say that's where he's talking about stopping.
Yeah, we probably should have stopped there and walked down. There's a little path in there.
And that actually might have went down to the railroad tracks.
Probably did.
Because they said it was a quarter-mile walk. But then they also said the road drove you right to the top of the falls.
And that one did right there. They also said there was a cemetery too at the bottom.
It might have been if we kept on going down that road.
Oh, yeah.
Because they had a sign too for the Buffalo Creek Rail Trail.
Yeah.
You want to turn around and go to the bottom?
Nope, I do not. I just assume get out of here. In one piece. With a vehicle in one piece. Could you imagine bringing my van or a service car down here?
You wouldn't have been able to bring it down this
No,
road.
we'd had to walk from
You
up
had to
there.
walk from up here.
Yeah, but that's still not a 5-mile walk and 5 miles out, so there would have been only a mile too.
See what doing your research helps you with.
Big huge limb. Big huge rock up there too. Sharp too.
I bet that is pretty falls when the water's running good. Pretty neat that road's right there at the corner of their house.
I bet they don't get very many visitors.
You don't get there by accident, I don't figure. I don't figure you get here on purpose too much.
We're only here on purpose because we have
Had that waterfall left to get. Cheyenne Drive. If you follow that road all the way down like we showed you coming out, you'll be at the top of Devil's Sawmill Waterfall.